Documents section overview. Let's dive into how this Documents section can help you manage files efficiently. Start by clicking Documents on the left sidebar. This brings up a list of your most recent files, so you can quickly access what you've been working on. Need to open one? Just click the file name. If you're looking to take actions like sharing, editing, or moving a file, click the three dots on the right for a range of options. If you're hunting for something specific, use the search bar at the top. Simply type in the file name. You can also narrow down results using filters to sort files by client, file type, signature status, approval status, and more, to give you personalized results. The second tab, Documents, will give you the list of your clients. You can search for a specific client by name, then click their account to see their folder structure. From there, you can search files by name, use filters to find exactly what you need, and browse folders or perform bulk actions like sharing files, downloading them, or moving them to other folders or accounts. You can also merge PDFs, seal them to prevent edits, or even delete files in bulk. Plus, it's easy to upload new documents, create folders, or apply folder templates for better organization. Lastly, head to the Trash tab at the top of the page, where deleted files are stored for up to 120 days. From here, you can restore, download, or permanently delete files. Just click the three dots next to the file to choose your action. And that's it for this overview of the Documents section.